Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Jury's World. I am Jury Mani here. Today I am going to give you the introduction, summary and poetic device of this poem, The Voice of the Rain. It is written by Walt Whitman. Let's see the introduction. The Voice of the Rain is a unique poem written by Walt Whitman that presents a dialogue between the poet and the rain itself. The poem presents the cyclic movement of the rain. The rain is personified to describe herself. She describes what she is and what blessing she showers on earth and man. Let's see the summary. The poet watches the falling showers of the rain. The showers are falling very lightly, producing soft music. The poet asks the soft falling shower of the rain who she was. The rain expressed in its voice and said that she was the poem or the song of the heart. The poet feels really surprised to get an answer and translate the answer into his own language. The rain rages eternally, day and night from the land and a bottomless sea into the sky. In the sky, vaguely, the vapors cool down and take the shape of showers and the rain. The rain proves a blessing for the earth. When the showers of rain fall down on the earth, they wash away all the drafts, dust, and other impurities of the earth. The seeds lying hidden in the earth sprout to life when it rains. So the rain gives a new life to the earth. Rain causes the seeds to sprout into saplings. Rain is actually the voice of or the song of the earth. The earth finds its expression only through the showers of the rain. The light and soft music of the falling rain is actually the song of the earth itself. After wandering from the earth to the sky, it comes back to the place of its origin, the earth. Let's see some of the multiple choice questions from this poem. And who art thou? Said the soft falling shower. So here, whom it means? Thou means you. You means whom it means? Thou is here rain. And who asked? Said the soft falling shower. Who said? This is the rain, the poet, the reader or the earth. This is said by the poet or asked by the poet. So answer will be the poet. The poet is asking the rain who you are. I am the poem of art, said the voice of the rain. Eternal I rise, impalpable out of the land, the bottomless sea and the bottomless sea. So in these two lines, I stands for the poet, the voice of the rain, art or sea. As we have seen here, I am the poem of art, said the voice of the rain. So it is given here only. This is the voice of the rain. So answer will be B. Who is the poem of art? The land, the rain, the wind, the sea. This is the rain. The rain is the poem of art. The word impalpable means here strong, untouched and unseen, weak or bottomless. The word impalpable means untouched and unseen. So answer will be B. 5. The rain takes shape on the sea, on the land, in the sky, in the forest. The rain takes shapes in the sky. So answer will be C. Altogether change here means in the poem, the nature completely changed or the atmosphere completely changed, lost of her identity, the form completely changed. So altogether change means the form completely changed. So answer will be D. The rain, the second meaning of it, to give relief to man, to nourish vegetation, to wash away drafts and dust, to give water to man. The rain, descendants means the rain wash away drafts and dust. So answer will be C. Question 8. Without rain, the seeds will remain not fully developed, hidden and unborn, dry. So here we get it that without the rain, the seeds will remain hidden and unborn. The place of origin of the rain is the sky, the earth, the sea, the forest. The place of origin of the rain is the earth. So answer will be B. Then, what do the rain do to the place of its origin? It floods. What does the rain do the place of its origin? It floods it, it beautifies and purifies it, it irrigates it, or it brings life to it. Rain beautifies and purifies it. Where does the sun issue from the earth, from the sea, from the sky, or from the forest? The song issue from the earth. Wrecked and unwrecked here means in the poem not wanted, noticed or not noticed, like or not like, seen or unseen. Wrecked or unwrecked means noticed or not noticed. Poetic device of this poem, personification. I am the poem of art, said the voice of the rain. So, here in the very line, the voice of rain. Here, rain has been personified by giving it a voice. Here, rain has been given a human quality of indulging in a conversation with a poet. Thus, the poet has transformed rain into a living being. So, it is personification. Metaphor. Metaphor means implicit or hidden in comparison between two things that are unrelated but share some common characteristics. I am the poem of the art. Here the rain has been compared to a poem. Imagery. Create visual representation, ideas in our mind. So like soft falling shower. Here soft falling shower gives the reader an image of gentle rain. During the conversation between the poet and the rain, it creates an image of shower or drops of water falling from heaven that brings purity and greenery to the earth. Hyperbole. Hyperbole means exaggeration of ideas for the sake of emphasis. So, bottomless sea. The word bottomless sea is an exaggerated statement to bring the desired effect. The sea has great depth, and the poet here overstates when she tells that sea is bottomless. Antithesis means contradictory. Contrasting two opposite ideas in a sentence to create a contrasting effect. So, altogether change and yet the same. Both the ideas are contrasting. One is completely changed and other is unchanged. So, this is antithesis. So, these are some poetic devices from this poem. Thank you for watching my videos. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.